Hey friends, it's Jamie Jaco, your 31 girl, and I wanted to show you a little sneak peek of the fall catalog, just the cover though. September 1st is when it goes live. But did you know that you can get some fall products right now before fall even starts? Do you know how? Our brand new enrollment kits. And y'all, I'm going to save the best for last because it's that good and I have to save it till the last, but I've got some amazing stuff to show you. I'm going to show you the enrollment kit. But then, at the end, I have a huge bomb to drop on you that you're going to love. So, are you ready to see the front page of the brand new fall catalog for 31? Look how gorgeous this is. I'm loving all the black and white, plaid, check, whatever you want to call it. So cute. Who is loving this? I'm loving this. So I want to show you the back of the catalog because if you know me, I feel like the best deal comes from the back of the catalog, and that is our enrollment kit. So if you've ever thought about being a 31 consultant, all you have to do is go to my website, www.jamiejaco.com, and you'll click under the tab that says Join Us, and you can join right there. So I'm going to let me keep this a secret. I'm going to show you this top enrollment kit because we have two enrollment kit options, but I'm going to show you this top one right here for $99. You're going to get over $300 worth of products, plus you're going to get business supplies, all for $99. And let me tell you, 7 years ago when I joined 31, I never thought that pink box could bring me so much joy, but also so much money to my family. So I get to stay at home and be the mom that takes my kids here and there and do whatever I want on the side. And then I just have 31 that I do for fun. So it's something that I never thought was possible, but I'm so thankful for. So it's our choice for me to stay home with the kiddos. But I love to be able to have a hobby and to make money. And so 31 gives me that hobby that I love because if y'all know me, I love some purses. But it's a hobby for me, but it also pays me. And so this is something that I never thought was possible. It was something I thought I would just do for fun. And now I do it for fun, but I get paid for it at the same time. So enough of that. Oh, and do you know that we get a 40% discount on all of our products? So if you love 31, but you don't care anything about selling it, that's fine, girl. You can still join my team and you can get your 31 for 40% off. Yes, 40% off. Not to mention, you're part of a really awesome team called Team AIM. That's my team. We have a Facebook group if you want to join it, and that's just where we share, we encourage, we give ideas. Anytime anything new's happening with 31, we go crazy about it together. It's a lot of fun. So that's just my little spiel of why I think everyone should join 31. So now let me show you the good stuff, and that is this awesome kit. So I'm going to show you the things that's in the kit that you get for $99, and then don't forget, watch till the end because I have a big announcement. So the first thing that you're going to get is my favorite thing, blah, blah, blah. My favorite thing about 31 is whatever they put in that kit, that's the stuff that they know sells the most in 31. So they're giving you products that you can use, and this is products that is going to help you sell. So they're going to send you stuff that sell a lot of, that's been around forever, that people love, that you can't go wrong with. When you're carrying it, somebody's going to love it. So the first one is our number one product. This has been the number one product for years and years. Now I will tell you, you'll see in this, the top of this kit right here, all these gorgeous fall prints. The products that I'm going to show you are not in these prints. You can go to the website and see all of the products in the prints that they come in. I personally don't have those because, again, it's brand new fall kit, but I do have the products. So just remember, I'm going to show you the products. It's the same exact products, but it's going to be in a brand new fall print that you get it in. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to get is our large utility tote. Again, number one selling tote that 31's ever had, and it's always the number one selling product every month. It's usually number one or number two. So the large utility tote is perfect. I always tell people, if you don't have anything 31, this is the perfect thing to start out with, the large utility tote. So the first thing you're going to get is the large utility tote. The second thing you're going to get is our top-a-tote. And what this is, it's a tote, it's a top for the large utility tote. So you just slide it down with the handles, and then it has the elastic right here so it's not going to come off. And then it's perfect because you can see inside what's on your tote what's in your tote, but then it's also great, so if something spills, it's just going to land on this lid and it's not going to go in your tote, which is really nice, especially if you have kids, because a lot of spills happen. So those are the first two products you're going to get. The next product you're going to get is the mini zipper pouch. Love the mini zipper pouch. I have two in my purse at all times. They're just perfect to hold all the little things, medicine, hair ties, feminine products, makeup, whatever you need. The mini zipper pouch is perfect for. So you're going to get that. The next thing you're going to get is our thermal tote. So this is one of our oldest thermal totes that we have because it's old. It's been around for a long time, but it's because people still keep buying these. Like, I sell these like crazy. People love them. So this is our thermal tote. It has a big pocket on the front. It does zip close, and then you'll see the thermal lining on the inside, and then the cute little handles. And so our thermal tote is a perfect choice for kids or for you if you're carrying snacks and your lunch, all that great stuff. So that's the thermal tote. The next thing you're going to get is a good big item. This is our organizing shoulder bag. This is one of our most popular crossbodies. Again, it's one of our most selling crossbodies. That's because 31's going to give you the stuff that's selling. They're going to help you with your business right from the get-go. So the crossbody organizing utility tote is, again, the most popular crossbody. Love this. I love that you can adjust it. So you can wear it crossbody or you can just wear it on your shoulder, whichever you prefer. It has a pocket in the back. It has a pocket in the front, a zipper pocket. It does zip close, which I absolutely love. And then it has another zipper pocket in here, two more flat pockets, and then a nice big open spot. So tons of pockets, perfect crossbody for you. The next thing is our cinch sack. Now, my kids have multiples of these. We love these so much. These are perfect for sports. These are perfect for church, for busy bags. The cinch sack is just a great bag. It's great for an overnight bag for kids. And this is also great for adults because this is great when we go to Dollywood. We can throw a few of our favorite things that we're going to need in here, like our wallets and our cards and all of that good stuff, a few bottles of water. We'll throw all of that in here, and then we're hands-free, and it's easy to keep up with, and it's small enough that when our backs get tired, we can throw it to the kids. The next thing is, you're going to see, though I did tell a fib, I'm sorry. I do have one product that's in the new fall print, and it's got new personalization and a new thread color. So 3 big things for you. This product is an older product, but everyone loves it. And this is actually what I got when I first got to conference this year. So conference is something that happens once a year, every year for 31, and we get tons of new fall products. And so one of these products that I got is actually in the enrollment kit, so I'm really excited to show it to you. And it is in this print. So you're going to get the Essential Storage Tote. This is one of my favorite totes because I use it every day just to throw stuff in. It's nice and big and open. And you're going to get it in this gorgeous print. How cute is the buffalo? I'm telling you, everyone's loving that black and white. And then also here is one of our new personalizations. I love this. It's so pretty. And then I don't know if you can see this crushed berry. This is one of our new thread colors. And I'm going to give you a hint. This is also a really big color in our fall catalog, and everyone is loving it as far as consultant wise. Okay, the next thing you're going to get is a fold and file. I love this fold and file. So not only will you be starting your business, but you can get products that you can use for your business. So love the fold and file. It has the 2 mesh pockets here, has the handles, and it's nice and big and open. And then the file folders that have the little hangers on them, these fit perfectly in there. So it's a great mobile office to have. And then if you're thinking, but if it's a mobile office, I need to be able to take it with me. How can I do that? I'm going to show you a perfect thing that fits inside. This fits inside of the Zip Top Organizing Utility Tote. This is also another product that you get in your enrollment kit when you join my team. So this is always usually the number 2 top selling product in 31. This one and the large utility tote fight for first all the time. Sometimes it makes it to the top one, but it's always number 2. This is the Zip Top Organizing Utility Tote. If you've loved 31 for a while and this bag looks familiar, but you're like, wait, Zip Top? That's because it didn't used to have a zipper, but now it does, and that it's just made this bag even better that it does have the zipper on it. It's got 2 pockets in the front, 3 pockets in the back, and then mesh pockets on each side. So this is a perfect teacher's bag, nurse's bag, diaper bag, and again, it's great for your brand new 31 business because you can unzip it, and then the fold and file fits down perfectly inside here. So you're able to, it's hard to do it when I don't have, I need like a table in front of me. So the fold and file does fit perfectly down in here. So this is perfect for your brand new 31 business. And then also in your enrollment kit, so you've seen all these products that I've showed you, you've gotten, but one thing that I can't believe they put in the enrollment kit is our All About the Benjamins wallet. So if you know anything about 31, the All About the Benjamins wallet is our most popular wallet. Everyone loves this wallet, and you do get the wristlet strap with it. So normally you have to buy it separately, but in your enrollment kit, you're getting both products. So if you've never seen an All About the Benjamins wallet, it has, oh, a penny just fell out. It has the little card slots here. It has a place back here. This is where I usually put my cash. And then you've got two big pockets here, a place here for your change, and then it's got card slots here. So this is the All About the Benjamins wallet. You're gonna get the wallet and the wristlet strap in your enrollment kit. Now guys, this Benjamins wallet is normally $48. So you can buy this wallet at full price for $48, or you could spend $99 and get this entire kit. Now the great thing is, I know you're asking, what do I have to do to be a consultant with 31? Do I have to sell a certain amount? That's the one question I get the most, and that is you only have to sell $200 every 3 months to be an active consultant. Guys, $200 every 3 months. That's super easy, and it doesn't have to be all at once. So if you sell $100 one month, like you and your brother, or you and your mother, we do have some guy stuff coming, so your brother might order, but like you and your sister and your mom, y'all all place an order, and then the next month you place another $100 order, you're good. It doesn't have to be all at once. So $200 every 3 months. And then I've already told you about the amazing 40% off discount. And then the other thing that I get all the time is, okay, what if I sign up to sell or I just want to be a consultant for the discount? What if I decide this isn't for me and I wish I would have never done it? Do I have to send the kit back? How does that work? You don't have to send the kit back. So if you decide that this isn't for you, that maybe something horrible happened in your family and this is just not can take your attention right now, which is totally understandable, it's no risk. So that means when you buy the kit for the $99, you're gonna get that pink box, this hot pink box full of goodies. And then if you decide that it's not for you or if it's just not the right time in your life, you just quit. It's that easy. You don't have to send anything back. You don't have to pay anything. You can just stop. Of course, I want you to stay on my team because when you become a Team A member, you kind of become my friend automatically. Sorry. Of course, I want you to stay, but I also know life happens and it's not that easy sometimes. So those are kind of the top 3 questions I get, so I wanted to let you know. Okay. And last but not least, you'll see over here in these little white letters, if you join with the $99 signature kit, they're also going to throw in a little carry-all caddy. I love these, for free. So you're going to get all of that amazing stuff in your pink box, plus an adorable little carry-all caddy. Okay, so I know I told you I was saving the best for last, like the big bomb. I'm so excited. So if you're like me, when I became a consultant 7 years ago, I loved the kit as a whole. There was some things in there that I absolutely loved. They were gorgeous. I loved the prints. But then there was like 1 or 2 things that I just didn't really love. They weren't my favorites. And so I always said, oh, I wish you could pick what's in your enrollment kit. Y'all know what I'm about to say? That's never been a possibility. In the 7 years I've been a 31 consultant, you get what you get and you don't throw a fit. That's what my kids have learned in school, and so now that's what I say all the time. But you get what you get. 31 gives amazing stuff. We earn free stuff all the time, so it's not like I couldn't replace it later on down the road, but I always thought it would be so cool if you could create your own kit. And now, starting right now, if you start your 31 business, you can buy our custom kit for $130. So it's a little bit more than this, but guys, it's custom. So that means you get all the same products that I just showed, but you get to pick the print that you want in the products. Is that not so cool? And you get to personalize 3 of the items with whatever personalization you want. Is that not so exciting? So $130, all of the products I just showed you, and you get to pick which print you want. Or if you want to spend the $99 and you get all of these prints in all these products. Either way, It's amazing. So if you have any questions, let me know. I wanted to do this video to show you. I feel like once you can see the products and just how many you get, it's really a game changer from just seeing a picture. If you have any questions, please email me, message me, whatever you want to do. I love talking about 31 and I love to answer any questions, but I'm also not going to bug you. So you can ask me a question and you don't have to feel like I'm going to start bugging you from here on out to join my team. You can ask and I'm not going to bug you. I'm just going to answer your questions. That's just how I am. So if you have any questions, please let me know. If you're like, girl, I'm joining your team, then just go to my website. It's www.jamiejaco.com. Click on join us at the top, and then there you go. You just join that way. It's that easy. And that's all I have. So I hope you'll have an amazing day, week, weekend, whatever time you're watching this video. And let me know if you have any questions. Bye, guys.